Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you're struggling right now, okay, and you may have car problems, you may need a few bills paid, you may need to put food on the table, and you done went to the banks, you done tried the credit unions, even your credit cards are maxed out, and your credit is bad, then I'm going to introduce you to Fundsjoy. Now, here's the thing about it with Fundsjoy. No matter how bad the situation is, they usually will try to find a lender to help you get funding. Now, they themselves are not a lender. They are a platform. However, what you need to understand, they will help you find lenders that can loan anywhere from $200 up to $5,000. All right. And the good part about it, they do not do a credit check. Okay. So the thing about it, they ask for your social, and the reason they ask for your social is for identification. Now, here's the thing about it. I'm going to tell you guys that most people still don't understand. I continue to tell you, in order for you to get a loan, even when you have bad credit, you have to have an active banking account with deposits. And I'm going to speak more on that in a minute. But for most people, they ask you, do you have an active email? Do you have an active phone number? Do you have a some type of income coming in? Now, here's the thing about it with income. I always tell people, because usually platforms like this, if you have at least $500 or more in income, they will find a way to work with you. Now, here's the interesting thing about it. If you are married and you have a spouse that has an income, you need to put the total household income on the application. Another thing you need to do, say that you are disabled or you on welfare, but you have a roommate that's sharing the expenses. That's income. Okay? The reason they want this here is because with you having your actual real household income, this pushes down your debt to income ratio. Okay. Now, again, like I said, with credit unions and banks, their debt to income ratio is usually 50-55%. But if you have bad credit, they still don't want to work with you. Okay. So platforms like this is where you probably have to turn to. Like I said, you don't have to worry about a credit check. All right. Now, here's something that I would do if I'm working a job. This is what I would do if I were you. I would go to my HR department and I will request a tax exempt anywhere from 3 to 4 months. The reason that is because if you request a tax exempt for 3 to 4 months, that means they will not be taking any income out of your paycheck. And you can take that income to start help paying some of these bills. You may have a car that's broke down, or you may need just some emergency money. You may need to help out a family member or something like that, and you need some income. A utility bill needs to be paid right away. So this is what I would suggest you do. Now, again, like I said, with Fundsjoy, they are a platform. Now, please keep in mind, these type of lenders that they deal with, because you have challenging credit, they are going to be in the double digits, okay, from 10% and higher when it comes to a personal loan when you have bad credit, all right? Now, if you guys have any questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.